everyone, welcome to Granny's Crochet. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet loop stitch, so let's get started. Step 1. Make slip knot like this. Make chain 28 or any even number. I have made 28 chains. Now skip 3 chains and in the 4th chain make 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in every stitch across. You can make half double crochet, single crochet or any stitch you like. Step 2. Make chain 1 and turn your work. Hold the yarn in a special way like this around your finger. Insert your hook in the first stitch. Grab that long strand and yarn over. Pull through both loops. Release that loop behind like this. Again, hold your yarn in a special way around your finger like this. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Again, in a special way around like this. Grab the yarn, yarn over from side and pull through both the loops. So these are loops forming. Let me show you one more time. Hold the yarn in a special way around your finger like this. Insert your hook in the stitch, grab the yarn and with the help of other fingers yarn over and pull through both the loops like this. If it is difficult for you, here is a quick tip for you. Use pen, bigger size of hook or anything you have. Insert your hook in the stitch and hold this pen like this. Wrap the yarn around, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Again, wrap the yarn around this pen, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Let me show you one more time. Wrap the yarn around your pen like this, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Again, insert your hook, wrap the yarn, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Again, wrap the yarn around this pen, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now remove this so you will get even loops. This is the best method to make loop stitches if you are a beginner and if you find any difficulty in making loops. You can see I have get even loops. Make loop stitch around like this. Insert your hook. Wrap the yarn. Now grab the yarn. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. Again, wrap the yarn around this pen. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through both loops. You can use bigger size of crochet hook or bigger size of pen or small size of pencil for making big or small loops. So this is how it looks like in the end. all the even loops. Step 3. Make chain 3 and turn your work. Now make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in every stitch around. Step 4 is similar to step 2. Make chain 1 and turn your work. This is again a loop row. Make loops across. Repeat step 2 and 3 for as many rounds as you want. In the end, make chain 1 and cut the yarn. So this is how your loops look like. To make them more even and beautiful, grab bigger size of crochet hook or a pen or pencil. Insert it like this and push the stitches downwards to make the loops bigger and even. Like this. Again, insert your hook in 4 to 5 loops and push the stitch so that your loop will become more bigger and beautiful. Repeat this with all the loops around. Now you can see the loops are looking more neat and even. Hide all the ends with yarn needle like this. You can use loop stitch for many purposes like for phone cases, for purses, for bags, for blankets, for dresses, for sleeves and for many other things. So this is the final look of loop stitch. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.